This old German remedy has been proven to be very helpful in treating atherosclerosis, cold and infections, high cholesterol and fatigue. By the way, it is also very good in improving the immunity system and cleansing your liver. For the preparation of this powerful drink you will need only 4 ingredients. 4 organic lemons along with the peel. 1 ginger root, 3 to 4 centimeters, or 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. 4 large garlic heads, 2 liters of water. Method of preparation. Wash the lemons and cut them into small pieces. Peel the garlic. Put the lemons, ginger and garlic in a blender and blend until you get a nice texture. Put the blend in a saucepan. Pour the water over and stir until the mixture boils. Then, turn off the heat and leave the mixture cool down. Strain through a strainer and pour the liquid into a glass bottle. Usage. Every day 2 hours, before meal drink 1 glass on empty stomach. Keep up with this procedure for 3 weeks. After that, make a pause of 1 week, and then repeat the treatment for another 3 weeks. If you find out the taste is too strong, add some honey. After the first 3 weeks of the treatment, you will feel how your body has significantly rejuvenated and recovered. This drink is extremely helpful in prevention of calcification in organism, which is caused by the kidney stone formation, and as well against vascular congestion.